Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of a budget. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Today, I want to talk about the importance of a budget. I recommend creating a written budget for your money. So that way you will be able to tell your money which bills you would like to pay and what percentage of your income needs to be allocated to investing, saving, traveling, entertainment, giving, and so on. Creating this monthly budget every month will prevent you from overspending. And most importantly, you will be able to live within your means. On the other hand, creating a monthly budget will give you an opportunity to be able to invest with the money left over after taking care of all your basic needs, which in the process will help you build wealth in the long run. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.